Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how does the user interface of QlikView look like. So basically, I have opened the window of this particular QlikView software. So over here, you can see the different menus. There are different options such as file, view, setting, tool, window, and help. So this is basically the start page. Whenever you are going to click on the QlikView software icon, so you will be finding out this particular page. You can have this particular example also. If you are new to QlikView, so you will be looking like to this particular getting started. So there are some databases in this page now. So you can go through this also examples. Then if you have done any type of work on QlikView, so I have done a work, I have prepared a path also. So the path is going to be displayed over here. So it is going to display the path, whichever files you have saved or whichever files you have created with the use of this particular QlikView software. So the path is being shown over here and the files which is being saved is also shown over here. Then over here you can also find out free online training, then QlikView's. So there are some videos also. So over here we can also find out different types of resources. There are more examples and redirect us to this particular QlikView.com. Then we can also download the tutorials. So this is only applicable on the start page. So whenever QlikView is being launched, you will be seeing this particular start page. There is recent work which you have done. So these are the files which I have saved, and this is the favorites tab. So if you want to learn more about, you can click on this particular. License information is also there. You can also click on open server, so it will redirect us to the server. And if you want to create a new document, then you can just click on this particular new document. I will show you an example. I will click on this new document. Then it will ask us to select a path. So I will click on the browse. So I will click on this particular copy chain sales file. Click on open. So these are the steps which is going to be followed by this particular data source, data presentation, save file, choose chart type, populate chart, and select. So likewise, these are the steps. So I have selected, so I have inserted the data. If you are going to click on this particular insert data, so you have to select a path. Yes. Now go to the next step. Then data preparation. So use column headers for data file. If you want to use the headers, add column headers also. So use column headers also. I'll go with the first option. Next step. Then here, if you want to save this as click data 1. So I'll save it. Next step. It will ask us to select a chart. So I will go with this particular line chart. Selected. Next step. So choose any type of dimension which you want. So I will go with products. Calculate sum of offices. Next step. If you want to display the table, I will go with the table. Click on create. So steps are being completed. Now at one end you can see the table. This is the table which has been directly imported from our data source, and this is the line chart which we have created in QlikView. So I hope you have understood how to use this particular QlikView and how does the user interface look like. So this is basically the menu bar. You can find out different tools over here, different objects, windows, and help if you want. You can also connect it with the QlikView server for any type of help. So that's it for this video. I hope you have understood how does the user interface look like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.